In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spend money in Xero. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, if you haven't already, open your web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features we'll be using today. Once you're in, your starting point will be the dashboard, which offers a comprehensive overview of your accounts. Now, let's locate the plus icon. It's your gateway to creating new transactions and an essential tool in navigating Xero's interface. Click on this plus icon to reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, select Spend Money. Choosing this option allows us to record any payments or expenses made directly from your bank account. The next step involves selecting a bank account from which you wish to spend money. You'll notice a list of your accounts. Simply click on the one that you need. This ensures that the transaction is recorded in the correct financial category and helps keep your records organized. Before we move forward, double-check that you've selected the correct bank account to avoid any mix-ups. After selecting your bank account, click Next. This will direct you to a new page where you will need to fill in all the necessary details about the transaction. Accuracy is vital here, so take your time to complete each field. Enter the recipient of the transaction. This could be a vendor, a service provider, or any individual you're making a payment to. Clear and accurate information will make future reconciliations smoother. Next, input the date of the transaction. Ensure that the date reflects the actual day the transaction took place to maintain precise records. Following this, enter a reference. This reference will aid in identifying the transaction later, so it should be specific enough to provide clarity, such as an invoice number or a receipt code. It's important to complete all these details as thoroughly as possible to avoid any confusion in your records. Once you've entered all the necessary information and reviewed it for accuracy, you're ready to save this transaction. Simply click Save, and all the information will be securely recorded in your Xero account. That's it. You've successfully recorded a spend money transaction in Xero. Remember, keeping your accounting records up to date is crucial for accurate reporting and analysis. Regularly updating transactions like these ensures your financial data stays current. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate spending money in Xero with confidence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments section. Until next time, happy accounting.